Welcome viewers to another video. In this video we are going to see how we can turn a website into an app using Microsoft Edge browser. Launch your Microsoft Edge browser here. I want to make my Wikipedia homepage as an application. Go to settings and favorites. Under apps, click on this install this site as an app. Click install, and now the app is now created. You can either pin it to taskbar or pin to start. I am allowing it to be created. Now it is asking me to pin to your taskbar. I click yes, and now you can see the application is now installed. So the next time I can simply come here and launch this application. You can also manage your app settings here. You can also print, share. There are so many things that you can do from these applications. And also you can manage the application from here as well. To uninstall any applications, simply come here and click uninstall button. Click this box if you don't want to keep any data, and just hit remove button. Now close it. Now your application is now removed from the system. So in this way you can create and uninstall your favorite apps using Microsoft Edge browser. See you in my next video. Thank you guys.